Click. Does your jaw make a strange sound and feel stiff in the morning? Is it hard to open your mouth wide and does it hurt every time you chew? Don't worry. Obokmanse Dental Clinic will save your smile. Our magical jaw treatment fixes it in just one visit. We'll loosen your muscles, straighten your jaw, and whoosh, you're all better. Smiling isn't scary anymore, it's something to be excited about. If you have jaw pain, come to Obokmanse Dental Clinic right now. We'll bring back your happy smile with our fast and effective treatment.